everyone, I'm Giovanna in the Aeroworks workshop, and today we will be reviewing the Hobby Tiger Ranger GPS drone. So I picked this drone up on Amazon. It's about 130 bucks, but it's a great starter drone for anyone who's looking into flying but doesn't want to spend all that money on an expensive drone. Now let's take a look at what's in the box. So first we have our instruction manual, and then right beside it is a bag of spare parts just in case anything happens or it crashes. Next we have some prop guards, some landing gear just in case the other ones break off, a phone adapter, the remote that looks almost like a PlayStation, a 1000 milliamp hour battery, and lastly the drone itself, which has a 720p camera and a 4GB SD card. Now that we've got everything charged up and the Hobby Tiger app on my phone, let's go out and fly. After I calibrated everything and got my remote connected, taking off was easy. I just had to press the one-touch takeoff button. Since this was my first flight, I wanted to get used to the controls. It was a little breezy when I was flying, but the drone handled it pretty well. Even a few birds were checking out the new drone. I tried climbing and descending and even took a few videos and pictures. However, this drone isn't the best for the camera. This drone is more for someone learning how to fly, not so much for taking pictures. For landing, you can either use the one-touch button or hold the left stick down until it lands. So what do I think about the drone? Well, it's a lightweight drone, so it can't fly in the highest winds. The camera quality isn't the best, as you saw in the last video, but this drone isn't meant mainly for the camera. It's mainly meant for a beginner who wants to learn how to fly, but doesn't want to spend all the money on a bigger, expensive drone. So if you guys liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.